Everything is for sale. Now this is Alpine Clock Shop in Torrance, California. Let me get up here and walk around, show you more. Let me close the door. You gotta need security in a place like this. This place is worth a fortune. I'm sure that there are individuals that would love to have this stuff at no cost to them, but it is all for sale for connoisseurs of time. Look at this, so beautiful. No hurries. My friend, the clock man, the horologist clock fixer, has gone on an errand, asked me to sit at his store. If anybody comes in to help them. Look at this. I know. Well, this is your average clock shop, how it looks like. I know. Look at that. Google Alpine Village Clock Shop here in Torrance. You can buy anything you see here. Tell them you saw it on this page. Look at this. 1, 2. There's another one right here. Look at this. Oh, so beautiful. I find these so pretty. Let's turn this one around and see what it is. Okay, I can see why he had it turned around. I'll go back over that way. I want to show you what's here on the floor. Like I said, every clock shop is like this, so actually it's rather organized compared to some of the others that I've been to in Orange County, California. But if you see anything you like, call, make a deal. This is the longer, look at that. I know some of you are looking for one of these. I don't know about that one, but let me zoom in here. Look at this. He's even got these little guys. Oops, no wonder that was there. Okay, well, let's see if we can fix that. Such a shame that it's hidden. Oh, well, I can see why. Interesting. Okay, let's go see the rest. I'd show you his office, but I don't think he liked that. So, anyway, if you're interested, Google Alpine Village. So at the outside, I'll show you the outside right now. Hey, Mr. Rubio. Here he is. See, alguien llamó, somebody called, and it's opened. It's opened. I didn't lock it. Here's the clock man himself, and thank you very much.